What is that? What is that, Gunner? Is that the first time? What is that? No, don't touch it. Hot. What is that? Gunner. Shh. That's the first time I've ever heard you bark. Yeah, you never bark. Is that thing scaring you? Come on, let's go check it out. It don't do nothing. It won't hurt you. It don't even move from there. Okay, come on. You gotta let me out, buddy. You're crazy right now. You don't like 3D printers? Huh? Stop. Look. Sit. Sit. Easy. Yeah. No. I gotta. Hey. What is that thing? Stop. That thing makes you want to wrestle, huh? You want to wrestle it? What's it say? It says that leveling was successful. Yeah. Settle down. Well, how far off are we? Hey, we gotta look and see what we're doing here. Look what we're doing. Negative 9 to 0.15. We're doing all right, eh? All right. Look at what the master made. Look at the master made. Okay, buddy. Sit. Like a good boy. Sit. Good boy. Now, are you gonna leave my 3D printer alone? No. God, stop. All right. We gotta make it work. Okay, you ready? You can't touch it. Hard for me to read from way back here, you know. Thank you. I love you too. Yeah. I know. Kisses. Yeah. Dude, that's enough kisses. Stop. Found it. Here we go, let's see. Sit. Watch. Why do you want to chew on me right now, huh? Here we go. Be nice. No. Don't touch the screen either, Julie. Alright, so take back off, but you drooled all over it, so I don't know. There it goes. Stop. Back. Sit. Stop. All right, we got Mom printing. No adhesive or nothing, hey buddy? Alright, we can stop recording this now because that was fun.